Millions of people around the world struggle with diabetes and kidney disease. These conditions can be debilitating, impacting every aspect of a person's life. For years, scientists have searched for effective treatments to manage these chronic illnesses. While there is no magic bullet, recent discoveries point to a potential game changer, a specific vitamin with remarkable healing properties for both diabetes and kidney health. This breakthrough offers renewed hope for a healthier future. Imagine a world where managing diabetes is easier, and the progression of kidney disease can be slowed or even reversed. This is the promise that this powerful vitamin holds. In the following sections, we will delve into the science behind this incredible discovery and explore how it can transform the lives of countless individuals. At the heart of this medical breakthrough lies a humble vitamin, vitamin D, found naturally in food sources of the vitamin. Don't let its common nature fool you. This vitamin is a powerhouse of healing potential. Vitamin D works at the cellular level to improve insulin sensitivity, a key factor in managing blood sugar levels. For people with diabetes, this means better blood sugar control and a reduced risk of complications. But the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin D also possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties, protecting the delicate filtering units of the kidneys from damage. This dual action makes it a beacon of hope for those battling both diabetes and kidney disease. Diabetes, often characterized by high blood sugar, can lead to a cascade of health problems if left unmanaged. This is where vitamin D steps in as a powerful ally. By improving insulin sensitivity, this vitamin helps the body utilize insulin more effectively. Insulin is like a key that unlocks the doors of our cells, allowing glucose to enter and provide energy. In diabetes, this process is disrupted, leading to a buildup of glucose in the bloodstream. Vitamin D acts like a lubricant, smoothing the insulin signaling pathway and restoring balance. Studies have shown that individuals with diabetes who supplemented with vitamin D experienced significant improvements in their blood sugar control, reducing their reliance on medication and lowering their risk of complications. Section 4. Revitalizing kidney function. The kidneys, our body's natural filtration system, are particularly vulnerable to damage from high blood sugar levels and inflammation. Over time, this can lead to chronic kidney disease, a serious condition with limited treatment options. The anti-inflammatory properties of vitamin D offer a protective shield for the kidneys. By reducing inflammation, this vitamin helps to preserve kidney function and slow down the progression of the disease. Additionally, vitamin D may help to lower blood pressure, another critical factor in maintaining kidney health. This multifaceted approach makes it a valuable tool in the fight against kidney disease. Section 5. Scientific evidence and the path forward. The remarkable health benefits of vitamin D are not just anecdotal, they are backed by a growing body of scientific evidence. Numerous studies have demonstrated its effectiveness in improving blood sugar control, reducing inflammation, and protecting kidney function. For instance, a recent study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that participants who supplemented with vitamin D showed improved insulin sensitivity and better management of blood sugar levels over a 12-month period. These findings underscore the potential of vitamin D as a safe and effective therapeutic option for individuals with diabetes and kidney disease. While more research is always warranted, the existing evidence is compelling and offers a glimmer of hope for millions seeking natural ways to manage their health. As we continue to unravel the full potential of this miracle vitamin, we move closer to a future where chronic diseases like diabetes and kidney disease no longer dictate the quality of life. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates and health tips.